Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to install a ERP system. So there are multiple ERP system, but I'm gonna try the Dolibarr ERP system. So let's start. Let's go to our browser. So in order for us to find the installer, so let's go to their site. So Dolibarr ERP. Okay, select this. Okay, so this will be their website of the Dolibarr ERP or the CRM. I'm going to select the download. Okay, so there are two ways of downloading the application, yes, the system. So the first one is here inside the source forge. So if you want to install directly the Dolibarr ERP CRM system, so you have to download this application. So as we can see that this is the .exe file. So after you download this, so you will just click it, then install it automatically. So unlike the other one, which is the GitHub, you are going to find the installer in the GitHub. So I'll just try to use the GitHub download. Okay, so the difference when installing the application is that like this, as what it says in the installing memo. So if you have below technical skills, you're looking to install the Dolibarr, just a few clicks. Okay, so you can use one of the package versions. So the example of it is that the previous one that we click. Okay, so we're going to use the advanced setup. So I'm going to follow these steps in order for us to successfully install the ERP, the Dolibarr, yes, ERP system. Okay, so if you're going to download this, then just click this code and download the zip file. Okay, so I already downloaded the file. Okay, let's go back here, the advanced setup. Okay, so as we can see, so I already downloaded the Dolibarr zip file. So let's go to our file explorer. Okay, downloads, and after you download it, make sure to unzip it. Unzip the file. So I already unzipped the file that we are going to use. Okay, so as what we can see here, so check that your installed PHP version is supported. Okay, so the supported PHP versions for this ERP system is here. The minimum PHP version is 5.6 and the maximum will be 7.4. In the version 14, it does not indicate the minimum PHP version, but it indicates the maximum PHP version, which is the PHP 8.0. Okay, let's go back. Okay, so after we unzip or uncompress the downloaded zip file, so let's copy the htdocs, Dolibarr htdocs. So let's open this, and we'll only copy this htdocs file. Okay, so what we can see here, it has many files inside the htdocs files. Okay, let me just copy the htdocs, and let's go to our server, a web server that we already installed, which is the XAMPP or SAMP. So here the SAMP, I'm going to paste this inside the htdocs, but before we're going to paste it, let me just add a folder, namely the Dolibarr. Okay, inside the Dolibarr will be our htdocs. Okay, so let us wait for a couple of minutes in order for it to finish the copying the files, pasting the files rather. Okay. So now we already copied and pasted the htdoc files. So let's open the htdocs. Wait, so let's see what will be the next step. Okay, so we are done in pasting and copying and pasting the htdocs files. So set up your web server to use. Okay, so and then okay, so let us create an empty htdocs config.php inside our file. Okay, so inside the htdocs file, a folder, so we found the conf folder. So inside the conf folder, it has the .htaccess and the other file here. So let us add conf file. Let's change it, conf.php. Okay, so let us change this. Okay, now so we already put the PHP file inside the config folder. Okay, so after that step, from your browser, go to the Dolibarr install page. Okay, so let's add new tab, localhost Dolibarr. Dolibarr will be the folder. Inside the Dolibarr will be the htdocs, and inside the htdocs there is an install folder. Okay, and click enter. Okay, so there are some cases that it will not appear, this will not appear automatically. So if that will happen, just make sure that your Apache and MySQL in the SAM control panel is on. So I'm going to show you. Okay, like this. So if it does not start already, so we will manually click the start here, the Apache and the MySQL. Okay, so I'm just going to close this. Okay, let's just follow the steps. Okay, let's see if there are other steps. Okay, so there are no other steps here. Let's just click next. Okay, and click this start for it to start. Okay, so I guess we are going to fill out this some input box here. Let us check the create database, because if you are not going to check this create database checkbox, there will be an error after you're going to put something here. Okay, so let me just put this example, the Dolibarr sample, and the password will be sample. And let us also create here the create user account. Okay, check, then put here login. So I'll just put the login name will be the root, and I'll just leave it blank for the password. Next step. Okay, so the Dolibarr already exists. Okay, so let's go back. I already practiced it before, that's why it has an error now. Okay, let me just put here Dolibarr 2. Then next step, wait, so warning, several localhost database name may be wrong if your client version may be too old. Okay, I guess I already used it before. Okay, I'll just change this. Dolibarr I'll just create sample Dolibarr. Okay, password will be sample, then the root, and leave it blank for the password. Okay, next step, already exists. Why? Let me just check it again. Database name, so sample Dolibarr. Test Dolibarr. Okay, so there are no errors. Then let's click the next step. So it is now installing our Dolibarr ERP system, so let us wait for a couple of minutes in order for it to finish the installation. Okay, so the installation now is already finished. Okay, let's just follow this next step. Last step, define here the login and password you wish to use to connect to Dolibarr. Okay, do not lose this, as it is the master account to administer all other additional user accounts. Okay, so in order for us to not to forget it, I'll just, I guess, put here the admin. Username will be admin. Password will be also admin for me to not forget it. But it is up to you if you're going to put here a long password. Just don't forget the master account. Okay. Admin. Next step. Okay, so login admin created successfully. Okay, so the installation is now complete. So in order for us to go to the Dolibarr setup area, let's just click this link. Okay, then the password is admin, and login. Okay, so now we are here in the dashboard of our Dolibarr ERP system. Okay, so the installation took me, I guess, 20 to 25 minutes. So if your computer is your computer processes faster than my computer, then I guess it will finish at a short period of time. Okay, so I'm now finished of the installation of our system.